Hi, I'm Sarah from the Sleep Store, and today we're looking at the Quest Portacot. We added this to our range from feedback from our customers. They wanted a really high quality cot and one that was a standard size. Very easy to find accessories for. It is raised off the ground in comparison to our drift cot, which is on the ground. Our customers do love our drift cot, but some of our customers wanted something that was a bit higher so the air can flow through. The Quest travel cot is a standard size, so that means it fits a range of standard accessories including the snooze shade cover. This is great for when you're travelling because it means it blocks out all those distractions, so they should be going to sleep a lot quicker rather than looking around the unfamiliar room. This is set up for a bassinet. You can see that it's slightly raised. Once you do want to use it for your toddler, all you have to do is unzip around here. That, and then take the velcro off. You can see it's really easy to assemble. You just velcro the mattress to the bassinet. Take out your bassinet holes, which are the support, and then you velcro it back in at the base.